Well, in light of Jillian Ludwig's death, Nashville residents are asking questions about policing, about public safety. Now, at the top of the newscast, we discuss a study that the former Metro Nashville Community Oversight Board released at the start of this year. And in it, that research suggests 60% of officers should be dedicated to patrol. But in Nashville, it's only 36%. Peyton Kennedy just spoke with Mayor Freddie O'Connell this morning for his thoughts on patrols. Peyton?
And Mark, Mayor O'Connell did say he needs to go back and look at that report to inform his public safety plan moving forward. But within Edgehill, he does say there have been many moments of community involvement between the Midtown Hills Police Precinct and the community. He says while people do take advantage of those opportunities, it's important to know that the presence of a precinct doesn't necessarily mean you'll see a hub of patrol officers.
But it's not like the precinct itself would necessarily mean that somebody's going to be walking the block at all hours of the day. And so I think in this case it is just absolutely unfortunate that someone who is a victim of a crime, who has been shot, who has a potentially fatal injury, there were no neighbors, there was not, the level of first response wasn't what might have saved her life.
There is a 9th police precinct opening soon, and O'Connell says he does have concern about how that will impact staffing and the number of officers on patrol. That's why he says it's important to look at communities as a whole and improve them holistically. He says he's heard it in his own neighborhood throughout his career with Metro and that people would like to see more patrol out and about. He says with conversations he's had with Chief John Drake that they are working to improve staffing and that Chief Drake is confident that they'll get those staffing numbers up because of the vigorous recruiting efforts that they have in place. Reporting in Nashville, Peyton Kennedy, News 2.